On just another update on Brent, obviously Brent oil, that is, not a man called Brent. 30 minute, let's just have a look at the 30 minute again, right? We had the downward sell signal, as I mentioned on the last few videos over the last few days following this from last week. That's continuing lower. A couple of things I want to reiterate. For those with day jobs, notice how that signal was over 24 hours ago. In other words, just because it's a 30-minute bar doesn't mean you can't look at this with a day job. Okay, so I want to reiterate that. The other thing I want to reiterate is how we find these patterns from the pipspredator.com indicator. If you're not following on our Telegram channel, have a look at pipspredator.com, useful links, and you'll find the channel there. But also don't forget the things we are looking at when we find these momentum type trades is, first of all, we're not getting in at the tops and out at the bottoms because we don't have a crystal ball. What we have is a library of pattern recognition going back roughly about 20 odd historic patterns. We have volatility-based stop losses there, and the numbers are all there. That ensures that we don't have the stop loss too close, that it's bespoke to every single market condition of that particular security at that particular time. So it's based on the historic volatility of the market. And also, we ensure that we're adding to our winning positions, good hedge fund practice, all of this stuff I teach on for my apprentices. Apprentices, if you're watching this, you know all this material, and how we then, with the profits that we've made, how we double down and, of course, make even more, because we've got two simultaneous positions running at this stage. And it means that we can start small in case there is a loss. But once we've got some profits, we're risking profits, not capital, to make even more. Okay, so that's where we are on Brent. Looking at the 1 hour chart on it as well, which is also short. You wouldn't trade both the 30 and the 1 minute in the same direction because you wouldn't be diversified. Okay, so you'd pick one or the other. That's over there. And this just shows we didn't get in out there. Some might say, well, why not? You're not good enough. Well, so be it. But that's enough money for us in any event. So we're not worried about that. For those who aren't pipspredator.com users, this, of course, is just one of the many ways in which we're finding our trades. These signals appear when not just the pattern recognition appears, but also multiple indicators across multiple time frames are in synchronicity, and there's price confirmation as well as this pattern recognition. So there's quite a lot that the computer systems are working on. So I just wanted to give you that update on oil as things stand. Obviously, profit taking now that everybody thinks calm is restored and things are going somewhat back to normality. We're neutral, which means we'll just hit the signals. We won't have a bias towards looking especially for long signals or short signals in oil. We're neutral at the moment on it. So if we get a long signal, we're happy to take it. If we get a short signal, we're happy to take it. Hope all that makes sense. Thanks very much. If you're not already an apprentice, have a look at pipspredator.com.